Hello, welcome to Monday Product Update. Today we're going to talk about bank statement loans. This is a great loan program for buyers that have been self-employed for at least 2 years, whether they have a business, 1099, or file with an Schedule C, but their tax returns don't quite show the income that they need to qualify to buy a new house. So let's start by announcing that Movement Mortgage has their own bank statement program. So for our buyers, this means that the underwriting and processing will be done in-house and there are no high origination fees or high broker fees. And to you as a realtor, this means that we can underwrite our files before you put any offers and we can have fast closings. So how does it work? We'll start with a loan application and we'll run credit and request 12 months of bank statements, whether they come from a personal bank account or a business bank account. We can only use 12 months of only one bank account, so either or. The buyer is allowed to buy discount points to lower their interest rate as needed. The seller can also pay for these discount points. The very minimum credit score is going to be 640. Then the minimum down payment is 10% for a primary residence when your credit score is 680 or more, and 15% when your credit score is 640 to 679. And second home and investment properties are allowed. So this is great for investors that already have a primary residence but want to start investing in a new property. Now, you can also have a cosigner. So for example, if you have a spouse that is self-employed and is using the bank statement loan and wife or husband has a W-2 job, we can use the combined income to get them qualified under the bank statement program. We can use buyers that either have a corporation, an LLC, or again, if they have a 1099 or a Schedule C. We can use business bank accounts towards a down payment. So if a buyer is going to use the funds within their business bank account to cover down payment and closing costs, we just need a CPA letter stating that withdrawing these funds will not affect the business. The other thing is gift funds are allowed, so you can have a family member give some gift funds. The amazing thing is that there are no prepayment penalties. So most of bank statement loans or non-traditional loans are going to have a prepayment penalty. This bank statement loan does not. And cash out refinance are allowed. So if they want to put a larger down payment to start with and later on they want to refinance again using just 12 months of bank statements, we can get them approved for that. And there is no mortgage insurance with a 10 or 15% down payment, so that's taken out. And first-time buyers are allowed on primary residence. We just need to make sure and verify that the borrower has been self-employed for at least 2 years. They have at least 2 credit scores, and we can, through 2 credit scores through the bureaus, and we can verify that the buyer has been self-employed, obtaining a business license, obtaining a CPA or tax preparer letter, stating the ownership and the number of years that they have been self-employed. So I hope you get your wheels going and know exactly who you can put in this program. Somebody maybe already has the funds and they just are not reporting the taxes how the traditional loans would like to be seen. This is a great program. We'll see you next Monday.